Welcome back everyone, and today I'm going to go through with you a new strategy I'm going to be implementing for affiliate marketing, which if you're a beginner could be actually very useful. Now I just actually came across this strategy just the other week, and I think it's been around for a little while, and I thought this method could be very useful, especially if you are very new to affiliate marketing and don't actually have a full strategy in place. This strategy can actually get you off the ground earning money and commissions without having an audience or anything else in place. Now, the reason why I'm actually going through and trialing this strategy for myself is if you've been following along with my channel, I actually challenged myself a couple months ago to being able to earn $1 million within 3 years. And for the first year, I want to try and hit $100,000 in commissions or through income through online methods. Now, I do have a couple of strategies in place to bring that money in, but some of them actually haven't been going too well and I have had to kind of step back from them. One of those strategies was actually doing user surveys online with user testing. Now that was actually profitable and I was getting some money coming in, but it was very slow and very time consuming, which if you know, or if you are someone who's actually tried making money online, that is not something you want to be doing, spending a lot of time trying to make money for a very minimal amount. You want to try and leverage your skills to be able to make as much money as possible in as short a period of time as possible. So even though I made a couple $100 through that method, I decided to step back from that method and focus on other strategies which would bring me in greater amounts of money over a shorter period of time. One of those methods is actually through affiliate marketing, and I've actually hit a couple of roadblocks recently as well, which if you've been following my channel, you've probably heard about. For those of you who are new, I had to restart my Instagram page from 140,000 followers because a key feature of my profile was taken away from me and I can't get it back or can't fix it for some reason. And that feature is having a link in my profile. So if you're someone who's trying to make money online through methods, you do need a link, or you do need to be able to have a link in your profile so that you can actually refer people to products and offers and things which would actually bring in a source of income. So without me having that link in my profile, that was really restricting me on how I was actually able to go and actually make money online through affiliate marketing. Fortunately, up until last week, I actually had a TikTok as well, which actually had a few thousand followers, but similar thing, I lost my profile, it got banned. Apparently I hit 3 strikes for content which everyone is posting, so I got no idea what happened there. I appealed it, but nothing. So I've actually had to restart a new TikTok page as well. So a couple hurdles which I've actually have to kind of overcome there, but it's all part of the process. It's all part of being an entrepreneur. You just have to deal with what's thrown at you and find a way to get around it and work on it. So that's why I'm actually going to be implementing this new affiliate marketing strategy so that I can actually keep bringing in the commissions and keep bringing the income while I rebuild my Instagram and TikTok so that I can actually make money through affiliate marketing through those methods, because I can actually leverage those platforms a lot better to be actually able to bring in some more income. So the method I'm going to explain to you today for affiliate marketing is, like I said, something I've come across very recently, and I think it's actually got a lot of potential to bring in some income, especially if you are someone who's new to affiliate marketing or trying to make money online. This could be very useful. And the method is by using Twitter to be able to find people who actually are searching for a product, and then you just refer them the product which they're searching for, and then if they buy it, you get the commission, which is perfect in my eyes. So to be able to do this, you're going to need 3 things. You're going to need a Twitter account, you're going to need to be an affiliate of Amazon, and then you're just going to need time. Because what you're going to be going and doing is actually going out and actually finding these people on Twitter who are actually looking for these products or having problems, and actually bringing them the solution in the form of a product or service of some sort. And that's the whole premise of affiliate marketing. You promote products or you write reviews on products which actually solve someone's problem or for something which someone's already looking for. And then when they buy it through you, you get the commission as a result. So you're basically just the middleman of the entire process. So let's jump over to my laptop and I'll actually go through the process with you step by step so you can actually see what I'm going to be doing, how I'm going to be doing it, and then you can actually try it for yourself. And I'll give you the results of all this, what I'm going to go through and do. I'm going to be spending a couple of hours each day trialing this to be able to bring that money in for me and see how I go overall, and if it is actually something I would do or continue doing in the interim while I rebuild my Instagram and Twitter. And like I said, I'll give you updates on those as well. Not immediately, but I will get those updates to you as I start building it. It's only been a week, so I don't want to kind of bore you with the whole process of what I'm doing at the moment. So let's jump over to the laptop and actually get started with this. Okay, so let's dive into it. So we're going to start off on Twitter, and what we're going to come and do is come to the search and type in where to buy in commas there. Now I've actually already done this because I was trying to find one to actually show you the full example completely, but it actually does take a little bit of time, and because there's a few people doing this at the moment, you got to be quick to be able to get onto these searches of what people are actually looking for to buy. So first thing you do is type in where to buy, and then you're going to come and click on the latest. You don't want to be on the top because they're the ones that have already been kind of applied for. You want to come and find the latest. Now I've been doing this for a little while, trying to find you an example. Now I probably won't be able to find an example for you explicitly by myself, but I'll show you an example of someone who's actually done it so you get the idea. So click on where to buy, and then you're just going to kind of start going through people's posts and seeing what people are actually looking for. So you don't necessarily just have to say wait for someone to go where to buy this and actually show you the picture of it. You can just come to comments like this one here where it says where to buy it. Open that up, and you can see they're referring to this PUBG merchandise and stuff. So you got the hat, I don't even know what that is, posters and things. So what you'd then do, so say you just want to come and find the hat, you'd come over to Amazon. You'd want to sign up to be an Amazon affiliate. Now I'm actually already an Amazon affiliate, so all you got to do for that is search Amazon affiliate program. Click on the first link here, which is Amazon's Associates Central, and create a free account. And that will actually sign you up to their affiliate program, so you can actually be an affiliate and start promoting products and get commissions whenever someone buys it from you. So jump back to Amazon here. So say this is the hat we found, which we want to link to the person who's looking for the merch. So you'd open it up, and then you'd come to the top up here, and you want to grab the link. So you want to click on get text, and that's your specific Amazon link for this product here. So you just copy that, and then come back to this post here. So where it says where do you get this cool stuff? Where do you buy it? Now, if you click on show more replies, you can actually already see someone has actually already done it. So they said, here's the cap. I got you. Someone's actually found a poster, more posters. That's just an ad, but you can see, you get the idea that people are actually going to Amazon, finding the PUBG merch, and actually posting the links in there for that person to either buy it or check it out. And as we explained, that can lead to potential sales. So I'm actually going to go through and do this for myself over the next couple of days, spending a few hours a day doing this just to see how I go with it. You can see there's a lot of people asking the question where to buy. There's another one. Let's see what happens here. I'm sure someone's probably already posted it. There you go. Same thing. Amazon. Another one, Amazon. So you can see a few people are actually already doing it. So you've got to be getting quick to be able to refer that to people to see if they actually purchase it. And that is the basic strategy of what this method is. So as you can see, all you need is a Twitter account and sign up to be an Amazon affiliate. You get the link from Amazon and just paste it in as a comment to someone who's actually already searching for a specific product. So as you can see, it's a very easy strategy to implement, especially if you are new. You don't need to have any funnel pages, you don't need any email responders or anything like that. But the potentiality of actually scaling this is very limited because you're only limited by how many people are actually searching for a product or service and how many of them they actually buy. Whereas with the other methods I'm using for affiliate marketing, where I'm actually creating the content and people come to me, a lot easier to be able to actually generate an income from. And you can actually learn the strategy through the 15-day business builder challenge, which I'll link down below. And people are actually leveraging that process to actually make hundreds of thousands, and someone's actually crossed the $1 million mark just this week with the entire that process as well. So if that's something you're interested in, click the link below, learn the full strategy, learn the full outline and blueprints of actually how to start that affiliate marketing business or freelance digital marketing business for yourself in a much more positive or passive, profitable way. If you found value in this video, guys, don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys again next week on the next video where I actually update you on the results of this strategy. Cheers.